we are going to check out the recipe of very famous Ambur special star biryani and brinjal gravy. Let's get into the recipe. But before that, tap on the subscribe button.
In a biryani pot, add in half a cup of oil, whole spices and onions. Once the onions are translucent, add in the garlic paste and mix till the oil oozes out. Now I am adding in ginger paste. Mix well till the oil comes out. I have taken 10 red chillies and made it to a smooth paste. I am adding in the red chilli paste now. Once it gets mixed well, I am adding in a handful of coriander and mint leaves. Once everything is mixed, add in the tomatoes and saute well. Now I am adding in half a kg of chicken. Add in salt as per your taste and cook the chicken till it gets tender. I am adding in half a cup of curd and I am squeezing in one whole lemon juice. Now the chicken is cooked. I had taken 2 cups of Seeraga samba rice and soaked it for 10 minutes in water. So now I am adding in 4 cups of water. Once the water starts boiling, add in the soaked Seeraga samba rice. If you are using a pressure cooker, follow the same procedure. Boil the rice for 10 minutes in high flame. Once the water drains out, give it a mix and cover it with silver foil sheet. In case if you are doing it in a pressure cooker, close the lid. To make biryani in Dhum process, I am placing in a tawa. On top of it I am placing the biryani pot or cooker. If it is a biryani pot, place another pot over it with water to make sure that the heat stays in. Cook like this for medium flame 10 minutes and low flame 10 minutes. After 20 minutes, Ambur special star biryani is now ready. This biryani is served with brinjal gravy and thick onion raita. Next we are going to check out the recipe of brinjal gravy. To prepare brinjal gravy, first we are going to grind some masala powder. For that I am taking 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds and I am frying it without oil. In the same pan I am dry roasting groundnuts or peanuts. In a mixer jar, grind it both together Add in chilli powder, coriander powder, cumin powder and turmeric powder and grind it for 10 seconds. Now our masala powder is ready. In a pan I am taking 5 tablespoons of oil. I am adding in whole spices, few mustard seeds, 1 tablespoon of peppercorns. Then add 2 onions and saute till it gets translucent. Now add in garlic paste. Now I am adding 1 tomato. Once everything got mixed well, add in small brinjals. After mixing everything together, add in salt as per your taste. Now add in a handful of coriander leaves and mix well. Once the brinjal is cooked, add in tamarind water. Now I am adding in freshly prepared ground masala and mix well. Add little bit of water to get the semi-gravy consistency. Let it boil for another 10 minutes in low flame. Now the brinjal gravy or brinjal toku is ready to serve. Try these recipes and let me know in the comment section.